Chat. This section displays conversations with clients. View all client conversations in one place. Unread shows messages that have not been read or replied to. New displays chats initiated within the last 24-hour window. Open chat with any customer. Template. A pre-approved message that can be sent to the customer for initiating a conversation. Quick replies. This feature allows you to create pre-filled messages that can be sent to end customers instantly with just one click. Attachments. This button allows us to send attachments such as PDFs, images, videos, and more. Assign chat to agent. This feature lets you assign a chat to a specific agent. Translate. Choose a target language and type your message in English. It will be automatically delivered to the customer in the selected language.